How we dey? IPOB one family. IPOB one family. Na so e be. All over the world we be one family. My name na Ufoma. I am a Biafran, and Nnamdi Kanu is my leader, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. You know, IPOB one family. We be one family. Nothing they change us. And he is worthy to be our leader. We not just carry say we want follow around. Na so it be. My Isoko brother, my Orobo brother, I also greet una. One until they listen to me. Una they respond to the most of the videos when me say I they do. At least many of una they call me. Una they tell me say na true say. At least many of una don't they wake up, and I'm happy for that. I be una brother, not to do us. Our mama born us well. We're not supposed to the door. You understand? Now, this video one I do, I titled my videos then like the Biafran unity of Urobo, Isoko, Ijo, Ishekiri, and the Igbos and their Igbo brothers. The Biafran unity of Urobo, Isoko, Ijo, Ishekiri, and their Igbo brothers. You understand me? Phase 2. This one I will call it phase 2. Still on the secret, still on exposing the secret of the Funanins. How they divide us, the patterns that when they use. When they say they make you as an Urobo man, Ijo man, Isoko man, Shekiri man, when they make you, they see your Igbo brother as the enemy, as your enemy. When they make you, they see him as your enemy. Now so it be, Now, make we clear the hair. Let us clear the hair. As a people, let's clear the hair. Now, my Urobo brothers, una don't notice one thing. Say, from the presidency of the zoo country called Nigeria, una don't notice say all of them are Funanis. No Igbo man they do. Igbo man maybe so most of una they talk say they be your enemy, so they be our enemy. They not deal. You won't be Urobo man, you not deal. You see now. So now still the same people. When they will come, they'll tell you say, Igbo, they too they greedy, they too did this, they too did that, fellow Nigerians, you don't need to follow Igbo people, fellow Nigerians, Igbo people, they are greedy, they are diddies. They'll call they speak bloody useless English. They'll call convince us. But when they'll call pass your back, they go pass your back. They go put their brother for position. They go use their people occupy everywhere. You now, when you call go office now, all the offices, the one you call the jam, Funani for there. Funani now you go the jam. And they don't already spoil your Igbo brother for you, say, now they worry you. And now them be the people, their plans don't fail. We don't catch them. Funani, Hausa Funani, we overcome una plan don't fail. Others na just one at the belief for Sokoto, we don't overcome them. Nothing they happen. Now, my Urobo people make una listen. The president na Funani. Now, the chief of army staff na Funani man. Una no Buratai na. Then even Air Force, they be Funani people, outside people. Now, police IGP, maybe na Igbo. Not be Igbo, not be Urobo, not be Ijo, not be Shekiri. Na still the same Funani person. Now, we get immigration Funani. So that anytime, anyhow you want to enter the country, anyhow you want to come out, you want to go do now them they there, and they control everything. Navy, the same thing. Prison, the which is controller general of prison, being a general controller of prison, na still Funani. Then Chief Justice of the zoo called Nigeria, that guy na Tanko Abuti be that name, the Chief Justice of the zoo. That guy mean say a brother na at the ghost must be crazy. Na they relate to that guy na Funani man too. All of them. See Senate President You see them, you see where they position their people for all the better positions then. You hear Igbo name, you know, no Igbo person for them. No Urubo, nothing, no Ijo, nothing. Our brother when be Ijo, when be Igbo, Ebele, Jonathan. You see where they pursue, they pursue. The cutter you say, na Jubri, na good pass, na Buari, na good pass. You see the way they tell you see the way they deceive, you see the way they deceive us. Then most of them are called they buy their lies. You see am now. Now, man tell you the same thing when you they suffer as Urubo man, as Ijo man, as Ishekiri man, as Isoko man. Now your Igbo brother they suffer too. In fact, they suffer past us by far. Just imagine your Igbo brother go China, go buy goose corn. Now, for the goose. From China to Lagos, the seaport. Now, if he spend like 800,000 naira, but for to clear a goose, when we say if the goose don't reach the Lagos then, for to clear it is spend more than 2 million naira. Because in name na Emeka Shukudi, because your name na Ufoma Ogenovo. You see the way you see the way they tell you see the way they tell it to us now, because the person me say they that place so na phone anima, so they make everything high for us. They make everything high for us. Then tomorrow the quarter you say na Igbo when be your brother so na be your enemy. Now lie number one. Now from the goose now for the Igbo man that your Igbo brother now for a goose now to from Lagos go Onitsha Aba come our side. They spend even more than 500,000 for road. Those of you say don't travel, maybe you don't manage go Cotonou, manage go Cotonou, go buy only one bag of rice or only one bag of rice. Una come spend money for road. One don't come back. Una call it say, madam, if you don't buy this rice, me you don't live far. Rice me say carry more for Cotonou. You know the settlement them say settle. Even for one bag of rice, you they make noise. What of your Igbo brother me say carry goose all the way from Japan, from Turkey you come? He go sell polo for you, you go they complain. You see how all these people they oppress us. Man, I tell you, if you travel, you as an Urobo man, if you travel go place like North, whether it be Jo, whether it be Shekiri, they call us Inyamiri. They say we be infidel, we be slave. That is to them we be their slave. So the even they call us Igbo, they say all of us na Igbo, because you know why? Then they know say all of us na Igbo. But you go enter town and you go enter here and go say, forget it, people. Those useless people cannot do one place with them. You see how it is fool yourself. When you they fight your brother, when you they say your brother, those when me say buy your brother, not go trust you to. You when me say you they betray your brothers, those when me say you they betray them because of those people you they betray your brother, they not go see trust you too, because they go say if you betray your brother, now me say you go see betray them one day. That's why when they use them finish, they drop them. According to our leader, serve the zoo called Nigeria and come back in shame. You see Anna, our Igbo brothers, they not do us anything. We be one family from one father area. We are from one father. We are one family. Now make we they say IPOB one family. Just imagine say look go refinery may sweet they happen. All the Funani Hausa Funani when he did when he said they control for refinery, Ekpa refinery, Warri refinery. The food there. They go carry money finish. They'll go build anything they want build. They'll go build them for Katsina, for Kaduna, for Mina, for Jos. They know they develop. You never see Hausa Funani when he gets big hospital. He build them for Agbaro, for Warri, for Efron, for Ekpa, for Sapile. I won't know for Gara. He build that say now, even though say that can't even day. You know the people when they work for they go use trailer. You know those trailer me say they carry nama. Now they carry their people, they come from the north side. They carry the corner, they go they walk. Whether na filling station, whether na hospital of which I never see. If Paraventure say every day, now there are people they work for there to make sure say they oppress everybody. We when we say we call ourselves South East. Now, but now your Igbo brother and I be your headache. You see, Anna, you see, I say they don't divide us tete, but we say no to them. We say no to them. Igbo man no go oppress you if we give one country. Our constitution now bind us together. Now be the highest law for our country called Zoo, called Biafra. Be that Biafra, so our country called Biafra. The constitution now go be the highest law, the supreme of it. If Igbo people go get 20 senators, Urobo will get 20 senators, Ijaw go get 20 senators, Isoko go get 20 senators. Nothing like minority or majority. I go dey my papa land. I go dey my own land. You dey tell me say I be minority. For what? For what? You born plenty. Me, I decide not to born plenty. Now so life just be. So because you born plenty now, me I decide to control my, my birth rate. You gotta tell me say I be minority. For what? I cannot be minority in my own land. As far we have more than 1,000 people when they speak Yoruba, we are no longer minority. Now so Biafra go take write their constitution. 100% resource control. If now all year Urobo get, we go to use our all year till they train ourselves, till they pay our people there, our citizens in Biafra land. You see, we go just they pay if now like if like for an example now, if Urobo maybe now they say okay, I say Delta State, will they produce like 100 billion every month? Now we go to feed they give federal, which is the federal. We feel they give federal. Now we go to pay federal like 30 billion. Maybe they say they do, outside team, Ministry of, Foreign Affairs, just like that. But the remaining 70, we go to use them for our land. Oh, when do this Biafra, all these our enemies, they know say they mean they won't divide us. But we don't wise reach them. You see, Anna, nobody Igbo no go oppress us. Igbo man no go come and say, that we will live in one voice, in unity. In unity. Make we wake up, my people. Make we wake up. Our Igbo people, our Igbo brothers, they don't try. Many of them don't die. Many of them don't die. When they watch all the documentary, the Biafra water, how they take fight. When they see small children, hunger. God. In fact, the thing pay me. As it's now waiting how suffering and the people to our people. These people they go hear from us. They will surely hear from us one day. The day when our leader go just to say, we are ready to march. Una go fear. Hey God. Hey. Una go fear. With the verse. You know, say our Yoruba boys, we are all jobless. See, I go school. We just go school. You just go claim title, say you go school. Where the work? No work. No work. Now we take the survive. No. Now God, if not everywhere. See, everywhere dry like dry cleaner. But they tell you say now your Igbo brother now be your enemy, so that means you not rise to fight them. But we don't wise. My Yoruba people, make we come together, make we embrace our Igbo brothers there. Igbo man, your Igbo brother, if they do business for your land, you go build hospital for them, you go build filling station, they employ everybody. Now they employ, then now they say, and now Igbo people they work for them. They employ everybody. Now they employ. They develop our land for us. They develop our land for us. Make we open our eye. Don't let jealousy make you feel say now your Igbo brother be your enemy. Now Funani be our enemy, and when our eye don't open, we don't wise reach there. So I advise you when be Yoruba man, see your Igbo brother as your number one brother. Don't let anybody deceive you. They never suffer rich. See, on remember that Igbo boy, all those Igbo when we say they come from Ghana. When we say when they reach as they just enter Nigeria, the zoo called Nigeria, the immigration officer just they just shoot them, they die. See the way SARS they harass our Urhobo boys. See the way SARS they harass our Ijaw boys, our Igbo boys, all of them. What till we do them? What till we do them? All those things not good day if Biafra come. All those embarrassment not good day. Anywhere you want enter, any office when you want enter for this Zuko Nigeria, you must bribe your way in. You must pay money. You when be student, you go graduate from school finish. You of course you go learn work again. Because you know why? Nowhere, everywhere tight. If Biafra come, many of you go thank me later. Many of you go thank me. You when come when they tell me say, bros, are they tired for your matter? You are too handsome for this thing you are doing. No? Okay, are too handsome to fight for my freedom. I don't understand. Too handsome to fight for my own freedom, seeing that I am being oppressed. I have become a slave in my own mother and my own father's land. I too handsome to fight for my liberation, for my freedom. But I'm not too handsome. I'm not too handsome to be slave to the Fulanese. I'm not too handsome. When we say I finish school, no work, nothing. Why not they behave like this? Why not they behave like this? Why not always they find look for excuses? When I go they find excuses, how I want to make this Biafra struggle, make the struggle not move forward. Why not they behave like this? God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are a great leader. A man who saw what happened yesterday, who saw what happened today, what is happening today, and a man who had also made greater predictions that will also come to pass. I follow you. You are a great leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't test you. You are good to go. You are good to go. Aside Nnamdi Kanu, my Urhobo people. Aside Nnamdi Kanu. Make una not accept any goddamn fucking movement when they say we are one people, we are this, we are social group, we are social this, we are fighting for the Urhobo right, we are fighting for the Ijaw right, we are fighting for Asagogunono right. Make una not accept them all those ones now the agent of Zoo, the agent of darkness, Zoo, Nigeria. Now I send them on, I bring them up. Mona not accept them. Now only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we must follow, because there's no need of division now. We are speaking with one voice. Now if Nnamdi Kanu say mash, some people go say no, we don't want mash now. Mostly they hold on because they never pay them. They expect money from their master. When Nnamdi Kanu say don't mash, now that time they go say we want mash, we want mash, we want mash. That voice will not want time. Make it be saying I want control. One voice, one voice. One voice. Una remember Bible as we be Christians, may I still ship in small scripture. The time when Moses they won't speak with one voice so that to take free the children, the Israelites from the hand of the Egyptians. Dathan, una remember Dathan, Abiram and Korah. Now so that they oppose, they will get their own crew. Now so that they oppose Moses. Because when Moses they speak, say we are about to march, they go say no, we are not marching. We must stay here. Now so there still be so we must follow the voice, just as the children of Israel follow the voice of Moses. As the court succeed, we must follow the voice of Nnamdi Kanu so that we feel succeed, because we get many Korah, many Dathan for Biafra land. When we say that they form their own group, just to take counter wetin our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they do. IPOB will be one family. So I advise us, those of una say they come on and don't worry. Things day to tell una. I go they update us from time to time. Go they update us, not to do us. IPOB one family. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live the Federal Republic of Biafra. Thank you.